Yes, my people, peace and love. I am not pure, but I am the cure. So this is order number 3, and based on the package that my client here has choose for whatever ailments they are going through, which I may not say, tomorrow I'll make this delivery first thing in the morning. Basida bark, have a look at it. You can do your own research. Cheney root, arrow root, strong back, have a look at it. Sea moss, and I gave him both types, and these are straight from the coral reef. No fabricated salt put on Chinese sea moss, no. This plant, don't play with it. Comfrey. Over here you have sarsaparilla, and right here you have custard apple leaf, and there is one other ingredients to complete this package. I'll get it in the morning. It's right outside. So again, basida bark, cheney root, arrow root, strong back, sea moss, 2 types, comfrey, sarsaparilla, custard apple leaf. Have a beautiful day. And remember, you start ordering your package by sending me an email. I am not pure, but I am the cure. I'm here to help the world. Yes, for daily motivation like these, please check out my new book, Earth. It's on Amazon. See ya. Check it out.